It is a week 10, a day 46. Days are a bit off because I count only the days when I record my solopreneur journey. I think I have decided I will try to look for a job this week, even though I don't expect anything since the market is in shambles. And I am looking for companies that accept developers on a B2B contract. And a lot of companies accept only developers from the same country on a B2B contract. So yes, that sucks for me, but I will give it a go. Other than that, I will create some cross-promotional banner ads on Bento highlights and maybe on ClearPixel. So I get users from Bento highlights to ClearPixel and vice versa. Maybe even I finally record some YouTube shorts for Bento highlights. It is a problem for me because I have to change the whole settings of my recording software and then roll it back once I'm finished with recording the shorts, which is a painful process. I also think researching a new application idea will also be in schedule for this week. Other than that, I learned that I need to be more active on social media through the day than I actually work on an application, so I get more eyeballs on my journey. Yesterday, I have spent a good chunk of time searching for good job opportunities and applying to those. I don't expect anything from that because of a reason I said in yesterday's clip. I have also looked for gig offers on Upwork and applied to one gig which already had 50 people apply to, but oh well. I have implemented an advertisement banner for ClearPixel on Bento Highlights application, and hopefully someone who comes to Bento Highlights application may get interested in improving photos on ClearPixel. And yeah, today I will continue with searching for good job offers and will also search on Upwork too. I will also try to be more social on social media and search for a new application idea. Apart from me getting glasses for the first time, the companies I applied for jobs did not even reply to me. I mean, someone is doing their job correctly, I suppose. I also didn't get response from the Upwork gig I applied to. I feel like I'm just starting my career as a front-end developer, not like I have 5 years of experience. So I can't even imagine how tough it is for those who are just starting out. Morale is at the all-time low, considering all the things going wrong. But I may have an app idea in mind that could possibly fall into must-have category and be profitable. I'm not 100% sure on it, so I will either leave it for announcement for another day or even another week. If you have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments below. Maybe one of the good ideas would be to take the whole day and send 100 job applications. I would feel much safer having a job, so I could throw more money at the apps I build. Yesterday I have sent some job applications, and I plan to do that today as well. I have also spent some time networking on social media, since I have to prioritize that before building a new app. I might split my time 60% on building an app and 40% on social media networking. Seems unproductive chatting on social media, but I guess that is the only way to make somewhat successful app, because I will have an audience that may be interested in my products. I also plan to scroll through Upwork and apply to at least 5 gigs, disregarding the payment amount. Aside from that, I have few app ideas and I have to write down all the things needed for the MVP releases, to see how long it would take me and to not make the same mistake I did for Bento highlights. Features that had to be done kept popping up because I wasn't prepared. I want to prepare better for a new app, and that is in the plan today if there is enough time left after spending most of the day on applying to jobs and gigs. To finish up this week, I have to say I did not make a single sale on Bento highlights since launch, which is terrible. I have 2 fairly interesting app ideas, but didn't have time to lay down the features required for the MVP launch, because I have spent most of my time on searching and applying to jobs. And since I, for some reason, personalized each application to the company, it takes a long time to make it done. I have not received any replies from the companies yet, which is also terrible. And yesterday I have sent couple of applications to the companies from my country. I will continue sending job applications today as well and go through Upwork gigs, but I don't want that to be the main focus of the day. I also plan to lay down the features for 2 apps I would like to build. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thank you for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot.